Today we're going to take you on a room tour of each of the available categories on the Emerald Princess. We're going to go from an inside stateroom all the way up to a full suite. This is Bob with Bucket List Cruise and Travel. Sit back and enjoy the tour.
What does an interior cabin look like? Emerald Princess C733. This will give you a typical view of an interior cabin space. The shower, bathroom, robes on request. All of them come with a similar closet design. And then this is a king bed configuration. Can be split, and you could have two twins in this room. And then you'll see large monitor television, and we will be doing a video about what you can do on your television and what you can access. Lots of mirrors in this room. It's actually pretty nice.
Makes it a little bigger.
Yeah.
Makes it a little bigger.
And here's where your refrigerator is, TV, blow dryer. Awesome. You got to get on board.
As we continue our tour, let's take a look at an ocean view room. I'm in front of Emerald 416. This is a little bit obstructed. It's behind the lifeboats, but it's a step up from the interiors. It gives you the exterior view, and it's a very economical way to travel. Come on inside. Very similar setup to the balcony room. Very, very similar. The only thing you don't have is the balcony. You have a nice window here. And this one is beautiful because it is not obstructed by the lifeboat. The obstruction on this one is a little bit of a lifeboat deck railing on my right-hand side, but this is a very desirable room actually for the price point. But you'll see it's exactly the same setup as a balcony view room. Same bed configuration, same desk, same closet layout. And it also has the exact same bathroom layout. Very comfortable. So if you're into colder climates or a very itinerary rich port of stops, then this is the way to go. The premium aft balcony.
Okay, we're at C753 on the Emerald Princess.
So this is a premium aft balcony. This is standard balcony layout, but this is a premium because of the view you get from the rear of the ship. This is an aft facing balcony. So this one lays out just like ours.
Oh, look at this. And the reason that this is so nice is you have the same chairs as a typical balcony.
But the main reason you would want this balcony is the incredible location it is on the ship. It's on a corner facing aft, so you get to see what's behind you, and you get to see what's next to you. a very desirable cabin. It's priced a little bit more than a balcony cabin, but not that much. Next on our tour, one of our favorites, the mini suite. Right now I'm in front of Emerald 728. The Emerald Deck mini suites have a cover on them. The Baja mini suites do not. In my view, the Emerald Deck mini suites are very desirable. Let's take a look at it. This one's even set up with an adjoining door so you can connect to the cabin next to you. So if you're a family unit, you have two families together, or if you have the kids and mom and dad, you can put the kids next door and still keep a very close eye on them while still traveling in nice comfort. With the removal of the two television sets, there used to be two television sets in this stateroom up on the countertop here. One used to face the balcony side, one used to face the bed side. With the removal of those and the addition of the flat screen TVs on the wall, it has opened this space up and gives it an incredible amount of open space and extra storage, as well as additional power outlets. Now this cabin has 4 outlets that you could not use before, so now you have a total of 6 outlets in the living space of this cabin, which is quite desirable for all your smartphones and camera charging. Down underneath is your refrigerator, where your minibar setup would go. Every Princess cabin has a refrigerator, which is very, very handy. In the addition of a sofa here, it also turns into a sofa sleeper, which is quite handy. If there's 3 of you in a stateroom, if you're bringing a child along with you, you can have that made into a bed at night. And there's also a 4th bed option. Right here in the ceiling, this drops down to make a 4th bed. But let's take a look at the balcony here. Has the balcony chairs, but the most important part of the Emerald Deck balconies are the coverings. Above you are the balcony cabins of the Baja Deck, so they provide some shade to the Emerald Deck. And in the back of the partition, that will open if you have the cabin next to you, or if you have friends next to you and they wish to have that partition open. That way you can have a big party balcony on your deck. But in some of the tropical climates, shade is very much appreciated. But take a look at the cabin from here. Incredible amount of space.
Or if you want protection from rain because you're doing...
That's right. The Emerald Deck balconies are very nice also in Alaska. We have been up there in an Emerald mini suite ourselves, and we were quite happy during the rainstorms that we had the additional cover. Most of the mini suites on board the Princess ships of this class do not have covered mini suites. The mini suite is very nice. It allows you a lot of extra space, as well as an additional space in the bathroom. The closet layout is even a little bit different. It's a little bit bigger in the closet area. The hanging side is exactly the same size. You still have your safe. But here's the biggest difference with a mini suite. That's right. Bathtub. So the bathroom is quite a bit bigger with the addition of the tub. It still has a single sink, but there's a lot more floor space, and the bathtub, especially on those cold weather cruises, is very appreciated. Well, what do you think of the mini suite? Today we have a special treat for you. We're going to show you a suite. This is an aft suite on the Carib deck. This is C749. Come on in, we'll show you around.
This is a sofa bed.
Yeah, this does fold out and makes into a sleeper sofa. And behind the camera,
We'll do this. So there's like a sink and minibar setup. There's your fridge. Nice.
nothing special to show there.
Here's the bathroom, the marble tops, fresh flowers. We have a tile floor.
But look behind the door.
Additional storage on each side of your mirrors. And if we continue through, we've got a separate jacuzzi and separate shower stall. Bath products. Very interesting. And what is so nice, some extra storage hooks, is here is your ensuite. 2 doors to access the bathroom. Now if you're staying in a suite, you have a mini walk-in closet here. Make it a full walk-in closet, mirrored, and some extra amenities, including slippers, umbrellas. So here's how you access from the ensuite. Here, look at this huge makeup area in the corner. King bed. Lots of storage. An additional TV.
And the curtain does open to separate the 2 sleeping spaces if you are choosing to go with that configuration.
You can open or close. You have access from the owner's suite. And you have outdoor access. Ooh, look at this upgraded. Oh, wow.
Quite large. So that is a view you can never get tired of.
And again, what's nice is there's 2 separate places to enter or exit. So if you were On the bedroom side, you still have access to the balcony from your slider. If you have children, guests, mother-in-law, they have their own semi-private space. They have balcony access. They have their own TV, as well as access to the restroom through a separate door. Separate controls.
Yeah, there's 2 air conditioners.
Phone on this side. Where do you see that?
There's one near each restroom door. And there's a lighted makeup mirror, which is very nice also.
Yeah. Awesome. This is what you can expect from an Aft cabin suite, C749.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed the suite tour. It's time for you to live the sweet life.
Which room would you choose? You want the suite, the balcony, or interior?